Yo, I'm tired. I didn't have my coffee yet. Welcome to a vlog. I'm transforming my hair today. This is my natural hair. It's a full head of hair, but it's so thin in consistency. Is that the word? A few years ago, I got a choppy haircut. It was a miscommunication between my stylist and me, but it's fine, you know. I let people do their thing, I got creative, and she did, and it just never grew back the same. So my solution a couple years ago was to look into extensions. Extensions, they gave me the look that I've always wanted, that I've always been trying to grow my hair to anyway, and they definitely filled in the choppiness. It has since been a few years and my hair has finally grown enough to be in a high ponytail without looking so thin and choppy. I'm just hooked on extensions. A lot of people ask me about them because I'm so open about them. I don't care if they show. I like show people that I have them in. I just think they're fun, and they've been in my hair consecutively for the past 3-ish years. So basically what a tape extension is a sandwich in between your hair. I'll show some clips when Teresa installs them. So I'm basically transforming my hair from this darker ashy blonde to a super bright platinum blonde, and then we're gonna add the tape extensions in tomorrow. I finally got the bands on my braces replaced because they're clear, so if I have any sort of Indian Thai, coffee, like foods that stain your teeth, they stain my braces and they turn yellow, and it looks like I don't brush my teeth. So if you ever see me like talking like this, it's because I'm trying to hide the yellow bands, but we're back in business with the clear. Anyways, I'm gonna take you along today as I transform my hair. Not only that, January has not been good to me mentally. Now going into February, I just wanna do something nice for myself. You know how there's love languages in the world? It's how you receive love. Well, there's also self-love languages, and you can apply those love languages to your self-love, how you receive love. So if you like to be given gifts, it's good when you're feeling kind of down, if you want an upper, to buy yourself a gift so that you feel loved from yourself. Today I had enough and I have to be on camera tomorrow. I just want to feel good about myself, and when I treat myself, I definitely feel a boost of self-esteem, confidence, and just a weight off my shoulder of having to worry about like, is this hair out of place? When I have my extensions in, I feel like everything just flows. It's easier to style my hair. It's easier to wake up and not worry about things. Just more easy to maintain. Sorry, I'm a little sleepy. Also, hi, if you came from Alyssa's vlog, thank you for subscribing. I think I got like a few subscribers from her. Welcome, I'm Sam. Watch my other videos if you want. Now, I really need coffee. 2 fun facts. I'm very connected to what's going on in space. I know that sounds a little like, what's she talking about? But every time I have mental breakdowns, I Google what's going on in space, and they're like, oh yeah, Mercury's in retrograde, or like new moon, whatever it is. So anyways, I'm kind of feeling that like funky mood, and I felt it yesterday, and I feel like I'm gonna research what's going on in the sky, and there's gonna be some evidence there. But secondly, it's damn cold outside, and when it's cold, all I want to do is take several baths and be in hot water and just cuddle into a blanket. But when I have my coffee, I'm usually pretty good. I'm pretty okay. I'm awake, alert, I'm warm. Does the same effect. Well, I ran out of coffee, so we need to pick up coffee tonight. Teresa's dyeing my hair. If you ever need cut and color and all that jazz, hit a girl up. I'll put her Instagram. She got me this candle from Pier 1 called Liquid Gold. It smells like the most delicious body lotion you've ever put on. Hope you get inspired today. I love watching hair transformations. This isn't gonna be like a severe transformation, but when I have short hair to long hair, hello, it's like, you know, I'm brightening things up. Let's go transform these locks. Okay, off we go. I apologize in advance for my lack of personality today, given the circumstances of no coffee this morning. And wait, she's still there.
What can we get started for you today?
Hello, can I please do a grande dark roast coffee with light soy milk steamed?
it a grande coffee with steamed almond milk?
Grande dark roast with a lightly steamed soy milk.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. Can I add in a pump of cinnamon dolce? That's it.
Alright, it's gonna be $3.86.
Thank you. I don't think that was right. Now that I'm looking at it. Cause like some days I just want to steam my milk, you know? But I don't want a lot of milk, so I'm trying to like say light soy milk steamed. But I don't think it went through. That's okay. It's quite alright. It's just coffee. I definitely believe like if you get the wrong order, you should definitely correct it. Like at a restaurant. But coffee where it's like steamed milk or like just thrown in there, I don't give a crap. Anyway, it made my coffee cheaper. It was like, so, you know, sometimes I order some things and it'll be like $4, and then other times I'll order it and it'll be $3. I don't get that. I guess it's the way they put it in the system. Like sometimes I'll order grande dark roast with steamed soy milk, but they'll put it in as a latte. But while it is a latte, it's not steamed soy milk with espresso. Okay. This is supposed to be a hair vlog. I made it. It's so weird being in a salon. Right? Okay, I'm with Teresa, hair expert and best friend ever. Check that out. Teresa, can you get the back of my hair on this camera? We are doing a full head of baby light highlights to break up the solid hair color you have, while also getting you back to platinum blonde. Love a smart, bougie hairstylist. This is the moment in this process where you just question all of your genetics. I'm in the bathroom. You can see how thin my hair is now. Harder to see in a ponytail. You thought you knew walk of shame? This is walk of shame. This is the true definition. What's going on over here? I'm blowing out my hair. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, folks. Queen. Process? Multitask. Right before I got here, Teresa dyed her own hair. Wait, did you dye your hair or somebody dyed it for you? Teresa, did you dye your hair or someone dyed it for you? Jen did it. Oh, nice. But you told her what to do. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Look at my hair. Peace out. What comes next? We wash and then tone. I am out. I didn't get a blowout. I put my hair up. But I love it. Oh my goodness. My hair feels so freaking amazing. I'm home. Woo! Dude, check out this freaking color. That's insane. I feel so much better now. When I pull my hair back, how much brighter that is. Finally, something brighter than my complexion. I can't express to you how much better I feel when my hair is bright like this. I just feel so much more myself. I'm just gonna run the straightener through some pieces. These are my tapes for tomorrow. We're gonna apply the tapes tomorrow. I have to run purple shampoo through it. When I do the purple shampoo, it just gives it that ashy whitish tone. It brings out those tones in the hair. Teresa, you killed it. You always do. Never doubted you. We were talking towards the end because both of us were so tired today. I say it has something to do with the planets. But anyway, she was like, I think this is the best tone that we've ever done because we always get my hair this color. But as far as the tone, it's just so bright, which that's what I wanted. I'm obsessed
And I hate saying obsessed because we need more adjectives in this world other than obsessed. I really want to create a word to replace obsessed. I'm gonna thesaurus.com that later, or just come up with a slang. But for now, we'll use the cliche obsessed. It kind of gets the point across. I feel like a scene kid with this haircut right now. I feel very 2007 MySpace, listens to Jeffree Star and what's that guy's name? For sure maybe, for sure not, for sure F, for sure bomb, 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 bomb. Look at the mess we made tonight, kick off your stilettos, oh yeah. Wait, that song is not appropriate. Anyways, I feel like I'm fitting that role right now with my cut, and then tomorrow I'll be Kardashian chic with my extensions. I just want to shout out a really cool product too that I use that I think is epic if you're blonde. It's called Color Wow Pop and Lock. It's called High Gloss Shellac. If you look really close, it has little glitter specks in it. So when you put it in your hair, it just adds this beautiful shine and shimmer that, you know, it won't pick up like glitter, it'll just pick up shiny. I'm in love. I'm so happy. And I can't wait to put my tapes in tomorrow and complete this transformation. I'll catch you tomorrow.